Once again, my best wishes to everyone. This is Harish Kanbar, and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel, Excellence English Classes. Today, I'm here with the topic of interchange of sentences. In ICSE and ISC class 10th and 12th, also 9th and 11th, this video is very important for them because it includes all the category of sentences that are interchanged in the exams. You see, there are 8 sentences. 8 sentences are given in class 9th and 10th, and 10 sentences are given in class 11th and 12th. And you have to interchange these sentences as directed. You have been given some directions like this sentence will start from when, it will start from despite, and it will be changed into passive voice, and it will start from I would rather. Sentence number 5 will start with there is no, and this will end. Sometimes end is also given, and you have to make changes according to that. You have to end the sentence into ever word, and to and to. This sentence will be changed into so that. Okay, and as soon as is changed into no sooner but. Here this sentence will be started with hardly. I have also given the rules how to change in no sooner and how to change in hardly. So all these rules have been given in the videos. I have made videos on each and every topic, and the links have been given in the description box. You can check them. Okay, so let's start now. I will solve these sentences and you will see how to interchange. Before starting this session, this is my request to everyone. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and never miss an update from the channel. Okay, let's start. Sentence number 1. She left the table after she had finished cooking. This sentence comes from the category of synthesis or combination of sentences. Okay. So just we have to change the clauses. You see that there is one clause here and there is one clause here. This is the principal clause and this is the subordinate clause. But we have to change the clauses now. So what will we do? When she had finished cooking. Okay. When she had finished cooking, comma, she left the table. Now, sentence number 2. He is old but still works hard. My dear students, when you see adversative clauses, adversative means that there are opposite tasks. He is old but works hard. How is it possible? An old man cannot work hard. Okay? But if there is some situation, if we say that he is not an intelligent boy but he scored good, how is it possible? So we can use despite or in spite of. We can also use in spite of. And what is the difference between despite and in spite of? In spite has also the preposition of. In spite is followed by of, but despite is not followed by any other preposition. Despite being old, okay, is will be changed into being. Despite being old, comma, he works hard. Very easy steps. All the notes and rules have been given in the videos. You can check description box. Now the delivery boy was requested. My dear students, you can see that this is in passive voice and you have to change it into active voice. But in active voice, you have to notice the subject. Delivery boy was requested. But who requested? Who requested the delivery boy? Subject is not given. So, dear students, we have to make subject of our own choice. So, we can see we, they, I suppose the subject me. Okay? We requested. We requested the delivery boy to bring the parcel. Okay, the sentence will be written, whole sentence afterwards will be written same as it is. Okay, subject was not given. We have to apply one subject when we will change into active voice, because active voice always starts with the subject, the doer, the performer, the requester, the person who had made the request. It must be given, but the sentence does not have the subject, so we have to apply the subject of our own choice. So here I suppose the subject we. You can also take we, they, he, I, any subject, okay, and change into active voice. Now, prefer and rather. What is the difference between prefer and rather? In prefer, we use ing forms, playing and watching, and in rather, we use infinitives. Infinitives means to plus first form of the verb. So, what we'll do here? I would rather like to play a game than watch television. Then watch television. Okay, this sentence will be changed like this. Only first verb will have the preposition to and not the second. Second will be supposed already from here, to play a game then watch television. Okay, now every family has a black sheep. This is the interchange from affirmative to negative sentence. And if any sentence is like this, every family has a black sheep, or every rose has a thorn, like this, every fire has a smoke. So how can we change the sentence? There is no family. There is no family without a black sheep. Without a black sheep. And my dear students and viewers, what is the black sheep? Black sheep is an undesirable person, the person whom nobody likes, the person who never works good for the home. That is called a black sheep. Okay, now I have never worn more ill-fitted suit. Now this is the beginning, this is the ending of the sentence from ever worn. So this sentence will be changed into superlative degree. Here is comparative degree and we have to use superlative degree. Then the sentence will end into ever born. Okay, how will do we this? This is the most ill-fitted suit. Ill-fitted suit I have ever bought. Ever has already come. Now sentence has ended into ever bought. Okay, but you don't have to use dash between these. Okay, I have ever bought. Next sentence is interchange of two and two. Two and two. So this is the rule. Two and two are substituted by so and that. So will take the place of two and that will take the place of two. And if there is already given not, if not is already given, we will remove not and we will use only can in place of it. Okay, so let's do it. Anil is so fast a runner. Okay, so fast a runner, that is used. Okay, that is used, and again the subject is kept here, that he can come. My dear students, not is already given, then we will remove not. If not is given, then we use cannot. Do you understand it? That he can come first in the race. Now the last sentence. As soon as, my dear students, you must have seen that as soon as is changed into no sooner than. No sooner dash dash than. But if you find as soon as is being changed into hardly, then you must understand hardly is always followed by had, then subject and other parts. So what will it be? Hardly had the sports meet. Hardly had the sports meet ended. And one more thing. No sooner has than in place of comma. No sooner has than in place of comma. But hardly always have when in place of than or any other word. Ended when. Okay. When the children and the remaining part is the same. Okay, remaining part is the same. So now check these sentences, and these sentences must come in the exams. Just keep in mind, all these kinds of sentences will come in the exam. So please share this video to your friends, like, and also comment in the comment box that what would you like to do, what would you like to be see in the next video, and we will include that topic. So for now this is enough. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.